to my channel. It's your girl Liallure. I'm back at it again with another video. I am whispering because it is super late. It's 11:41, but it's 11:41, and for some reason, some genius reason, I decided that now was the perfect time for me to start taking out my braids. Yeah, okay. So I have to take down my braids because tomorrow I have to get my hair washed at the hair salon, and I'm trying to go as early as possible because I don't know, the hair salon tend to get like crowded in the afternoon, and even though I don't go often, like I'm a in and out girl, like in and out. I don't want to be there all day, so I'm gonna try to get this done and then go to sleep afterwards. To be completely transparent with y'all, I'm not gonna stay in the bathroom the whole time. Like, the bathroom just has the best lighting in the apartment, so that's why I'm here for right now. But to be honest, I'm gonna take out like 2 braids and then I'm out of here for real. So yeah, watch me. Oh shit, I forgot to tell y'all what kind of vlog this was. Anyway, so today's vlog is going to be a maintenance vlog. I'm getting ready for Thanksgiving. I'm not doing anything major, just going to Connecticut to visit some family members, but I have been looking like a rough little boy for the past month and a half, and I think it's time for me to get my shit together, quite frankly. These braids were cute, they were amazing, I love them. She did such a great job. If she's interested in me putting her information in the video, I will leave it in the description box down below, so don't forget to open that if you're interested. But the braids were really cute. Like, I'm gonna take these braids out, and then tomorrow I'm going to I'm sorry, my brain is really like I'm having a hard time with brain functioning right now, and my eyes kind of hurt real bad. I'll be back. All right, we're back at it like a crack addict. Anyway, so I was saying that I'm gonna take out my braids tonight, and then tomorrow morning I'm going to get my hair washed and trimmed because Lord knows how long it's been since I've trimmed my hair. I don't. So after I get my hair trimmed, that's gonna be it for the day. The following day is Friday. I'm going to try to go to the nail salon to get a pedicure and also to get my eyebrows waxed, because those also have not been waxed since, I want to say, July, but that might be generous too. That's that. Saturday I get my nails done. Super excited. Then the last few things I need to do is do laundry and pack. I also need to put my wig on, but I'll put my wig on Tuesday because we're supposed to be leaving on Wednesday. If I put my wig on any earlier than Tuesday, like, I'm gonna need to put the wig back on at some point when I'm in Connecticut, and it's just not worth it. So yeah, that's what we're doing, and I'm about to get started on my braids. So stick around for the braids that I do show y'all, because I'm capping the rest of the way. I feel like I should cut my hair like right here. I mean, my hair definitely did not grow that much, but I mean, I don't want to chance it. So wait. All right, I'm gonna do one just for funsies. I know the front is like typically shorter than the rest of my hair, but I don't have time for this. I really don't. Oh my god, this makes me nervous. Okay, I'm gonna cut this one. See what it's giving. See what it's giving. You really cut your hair off. I don't want to. I don't want to. Oh, you know what? Damn, and the scissors weak as hell. Gangsta, what the hell is going on? You know what? Okay, it's right here. I'm gonna unbraid it, and then we're gonna see if it's if I should cut shorter, which I probably should, but good morning.
Oh, jump scare.
We're back. All right, so here's the progress. I took out all my braids and I did finish in 2 hours and as anticipated, so that's great. So my hair looks like right now. To be honest with you, it's honestly not that dirty. Like I expected it to be much dirtier, but it's not. Like, it's a close up of my scalp if y'all are interested. But yeah, like, so all of this that you're seeing, like the gray and the stuff and all of that is just like, that's just built up from what's it called, from the edge control and the like eco style or whatever it is that she put in my hair. But honestly, my hair is not that dirty. It will be washed though because I want to put a wig on. So right now what I'm doing is I am going to spray my hair with a mixture of apple cider vinegar and water. Right now it's only apple cider vinegar in there, but I'm gonna fill it with like 3/4 water and I am going to spray my scalp with it. And what that does for me personally is it kind of just like purifies the hair. I did this a few times in college in my freshman year when I started like washing my hair myself, and it worked pretty well for me. It's kind of like a pre-poo or something like that. Honestly, I stopped listening to the natural hairstylist girls a long time ago because they're very confusing people and I just don't believe in them anymore. So I do what works for me, and this works for me if I really need a good clean. So that's what we're gonna do. If you're gonna try this, make sure you mix it with like 3/4 water to like 1/4 apple cider vinegar. You don't want to burn your scalp or do anything like that because apple cider vinegar is like highly acidic. So okay, so y'all, if y'all were paying attention to my hair earlier, they had like all this buildup and stuff over here. And now you can see that it's kind of like dissolved a lot, honestly. And that's what the apple cider vinegar does. It kind of just like breaks all that stuff down. So now I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to detangle my hair. All right. So this is what we're working with. I don't even know if y'all can see. Hold on. Okay, yeah. So this is what we're working with. It looks much cleaner than it did when I first started. Let me just, yeah, it looks much cleaner than when I first started, so that's good. Right now I'm gonna go take a shower and then I'm gonna go to the hair salon. I mean, hopefully it's not busy because if there's like a lot of people there and waiting and shit, I'm just gonna go home and wash my hair myself, to be honest with you. I don't have time for this. But yeah, y'all, so I am back. Yes, it's me, it's her with the granny cardigan. Yeah, come on, don't play with that girl. Purr. So I'm back. I was at the hair salon for maybe about 2 hours. Honestly, I don't remember what time I left, but I was there for like 2 hours. I got my washing set, so we did what needed to be done. And I also got my hair trimmed. That was the main purpose of going to the hair salon, getting my hair trimmed, because to be completely honest, I haven't had my hair trimmed in so long that I was just like, something needs to be done. Like, you have to start having respect for yourself. So I did that. And that's just where my hair is at, you know, length check. That's just where it's at. And she, the lady was like, she was like, make sure you wrap your hair at night because your hair is a little dry. And I'm like, it definitely is a little dry because every time I tell myself I'm gonna moisturize my hair at night, no. Like, I just don't do it. So we're gonna try to be better. Okay, we're gonna try to be better. Don't cross your fingers too long. So yeah, that's what's going on right now. And right now I am about to go cook because it's about like 2 o'clock maybe. I don't know. I think it's 2 o'clock. And of course I haven't eaten a single thing all day, so I need to go cook something. My plan is to make salmon stuffed with cream cheese and spinach. I've made that before. It was very yummy. And I'm gonna make it with some Mediterranean vegetables that I got from Aldi. So hopefully that works out. You know, things just never work out the way it's supposed to in my life. But yeah. But yeah, we're gonna go cook right now because I need to eat some. Okay, hey y'all, so I'm back a little later, still in this bathroom, child. But if y'all hear a lot of noise, ignore that. That's the heat coming through. But it's nighttime and I'm about to get ready for bed. But I wanted to show you guys some products that I got from Sephora the other day because I'm finally ready to like give them a chance. I'm ready to see what they hitting for, and so I wanted to show you guys like and give you guys like my raw opinion of them. So I'm gonna start washing my face and then we'll come back when we got the goods. Okay, so I washed my face. Well, I did the first step in washing my face. I oil cleansed today because I haven't done that in a while, and I felt like my face was super plugged with pores, and so I decided to oil cleanse, and I'm really glad that I did because it was very relaxing, I'm not gonna lie. And right now I'm gonna try my first new product. Honestly, it's only 2. I don't know why I'm beasting like that, but I am excited because hold on, my bad, y'all. I am excited because I wanted to try a new like face wash for a while. I before was using the CeraVe like foaming cleanser, and it was fine, but I feel like it really wasn't cleaning my face like I needed to be clean. I have oily combo skin and my face gets very clogged. Yeah, so my pores get clogged often, and I don't know, I just feel like the CeraVe isn't doing what it's supposed to do. So I've been on the hunt for a new foaming cleanser, and I think I found one. So this is the La Roche-Posay. No, let me stop. It is the La Roche-Posay. It is the La Roche-Posay Toleriane Purifying Foaming Cleanser. It's for normal to oily skin. So, and it says it's safe for sensitive skin, which is very good because my face is extremely sensitive. So we're gonna test it out to see if my skin likes it, if it gives me a good clean. Yeah. This is, it goes on this way. I don't even know what that means. What does on mean? Okay. Comes clear. Just looks regular, yeah. Okay. Not gonna do too much because I'm new to using it. Are there directions? Oh, she is thick, honey. She is thick. Honestly, maybe I put too much on my hands because this is a lot of soap. This is a little beastie, I'm not gonna lie. Okay, so first thoughts, it seems to be definitely cleansing. My face feels a little bit stripped, but that's not a bad thing in my case. I kind of need that feeling of the stripping just because there's just always so much oil in my face. So far so good. My face doesn't feel tingly, doesn't feel like I'm gonna have a reaction to it, so that's really good. Okay, and then the second and last product that I have is the Fresh Sugar Lip Polish. It's a lip exfoliator. I'm excited about this because my lip has been like peeling a lot lately, and I feel like I've heard of this before, so I'm excited to try it. Looks like this. So I'm gonna give it a shot. Ooh, she's cute. Looks like brown sugar. I'm sorry, I messed it up without showing y'all. It smells good. It smells like citrus, very lemony. I don't know what I'm supposed to do with this, but I guess I'm just supposed to exfoliate. Okay. So, I like that a lot, actually. It's very tingly. My lips definitely feel smoother than they were when I started this, so I like it.
Well, that's exactly what the nigga came. Gucci frames on. Let me take the bitches off. Let me get the full scope. Hold up. Full screen HD. Let me take another picture. Let me pull it to the pre-show. Whoa. Cool beans. That's a whole lot of reefer. Let me help you with the pre-roll.